Hornet Nation, this is Ms. Minton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Drive by adding folders. So right now we're looking at my Google Drive, and you can see that I've got some just loose files down here, but I also have a folder system, and using those folders is super helpful for me in terms of finding the files that I need when I need them. So one thing that I've noticed lately is that I can sort of go on autopilot, and if I'm thinking about, oh, I want to edit that Unit 1 test, instead of opening my folder that's clearly labeled with this school year's dates, I'm thinking Unit 1, so I just open this old Unit 1 folder, and that's not where the test that I want to edit actually lives, so to speak. So anytime I personally am finding that I'm clicking on the wrong thing or I'm getting frustrated trying to find files, that's always a cue to me that I need a little more organization in my life. So if that speaks to you, but you don't know how to get started with organizing your drive, here's what I suggest you do. I'm going to suggest that you add folders like I've done to your Google Drive. And what I'm going to do to try to stop this issue I've been having of opening this Unit 1 instead of the correct Unit 1 inside of the current year's folder is I'm going to add a new folder for all of my files from last year. So to do that, I'm going to click on the button over here that says New. The first option I have is for a folder, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to title that folder with the dates from last year and create it. There's my new folder. So now I need to start moving some things from this main dashboard into this container. So I want to move this folder. I can do that by either dragging and dropping. So I click on it, I drag it on over, I drop it in. Or I can select the folder that I want to move, click on the three dots, and then select Move To. From there, I select the location where I want that folder to live now and move it. So you can get your folders or individual files, as the case may be, into the places where you want them to go by dragging and dropping or selecting, coming up to the three dots, selecting Move To, and then the place you want to move it. You also have the option to color code your folders. So maybe I want to make these folders sort of recede and the folder that I'm working from this year to really pop. So I can select that folder, click on the three dots, and then change the color. So my favorite color is green. I think I'm going to change this year's folder color to what apparently is called Vern Fern. So now that folder is green, it's going to stand out. Maybe I want to make that stand out even more. I might decide to rename this folder so that it's more obviously the folder that contains this year's stuff. To rename a folder, you're going to select it, go back over to those three dots, select Rename, and I think I'm going to do all caps and say Current Year. All right, so I've done a few different things to make this folder pop. I've started moving files from last year out of the way into a folder I'm not using. My drive is getting there to being much more organized. I hope that this Hornet life hack helps you work smarter, not harder. Take care and protect the nest.